Hello and welcome to Phonics with Miss Williams. Let's have a recap of the sounds we already know. T, S, A, D, I, P, N, M, O, E, G, H, O, R, B, F, K. And our new sound today is the sound F. We find this F in the middle of the word or the end of a word. Can you hear the F sound in these words? Cliff, sniff, muffin, giraffe, daffodil. Off, off. Can you turn the light off? Huff, huff. Puff, puff. The wolf can huff and puff. Let's look at those tricky words. I, two, no, go, into, the. Now it's time to read a caption. Get, get, off, off, get off, tricky word, the, get off the bus, bus, get off the bus. Get off the bus. Can you point to tricky word there? On, up, top, on, top, off, of, on top of, tricky word, the, on top of the, rock, rock, on top of the rock. On top of the rock. Thanks for joining me. See you again next time. Bye for now.